Hair loss can feel like a battle you never signed up for. Whether it's a receding hairline, thinning patches, or a scalp that just doesn't feel as full as it used to, the struggle is real, and it can take a toll on your confidence, appearance, and even your mood. Most people believe the only way to fight back is through expensive surgeries, painful treatments, or fancy procedures. But here's the truth. Science, nature, and real life results prove that you don't have to go under the knife to regrow your hair. In this video, we're going to uncover 10 proven tips that actually work to bring your hair back, and the best part, they're completely non-surgical. These aren't gimmicks, quick fix hacks, or miracle promises. You're about to learn strategies that are backed by research and trusted by people who have successfully restored their hair. Whether you're in your 20s and noticing the first signs of thinning, or in your 50s and looking to revive your hair naturally, these tips are designed to work for anyone who's serious about regrowth. From powerful nutrients and scalp stimulating techniques to lifestyle changes that directly affect your follicles, you'll discover how to create the perfect environment for hair to grow back stronger, thicker, and healthier. And if you think it's too late for you, think again, because your hair follicles may just need the right push to come back to life. So, if you've been searching for a safe, effective, and natural solution to hair loss, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with 10 powerful methods that can change your hair and your confidence faster than you think. Hair loss doesn't just happen overnight. It's often the result of months, sometimes years, of small changes in our body, lifestyle, or environment that add up until one day we notice more strands on the pillow, more shedding in the shower, and a hairline that just doesn't look the same. The good news, just as hair loss is gradual, so too is hair regrowth possible, when you give your body the right tools, habits, and environment. Let's walk through 10 proven, non-surgical methods that can bring your hair back to life. The first thing to understand is that hair health begins on the inside. Think of your body like soil and your hair like plants. If the soil is dry, lacking nutrients, and poorly taken care of, even the best seeds won't grow. That's why nutrition is often the foundation of regrowth. One of the most powerful nutrients for hair is biotin, also known as vitamin B7. Biotin directly supports keratin, the protein that makes up the structure of your hair. Many people experiencing hair thinning find dramatic improvement when they start supplementing biotin through foods like eggs, nuts, seeds, and salmon, or with a high-quality daily supplement. It's not magic, it's science. Feed the follicle, and the follicle feeds your hair. But biotin isn't alone. Vitamin D plays a critical role too. Research shows that low vitamin D levels are directly linked to hair thinning and conditions like alopecia. Since vitamin D acts almost like a switch for hair follicles, getting enough sunshine or supplementing can help wake up dormant roots. Imagine thousands of tiny light switches across your scalp, waiting to be flipped on. That's what vitamin D can do for your hair. Of course, nutrients are only one part of the story. Let's shift to the scalp itself, the very foundation where hair grows. Most people wash their hair, style it, maybe even apply oils, but they don't actually stimulate the scalp. Just like your muscles need blood flow to grow, your hair follicles also rely on circulation. One of the simplest yet most overlooked methods is scalp massage. Taking just 5 minutes a day to massage your scalp with your fingertips, or even better, with natural oils like rosemary or peppermint, can significantly increase blood circulation. These oils don't just feel good. Studies show rosemary oil can be as effective as minoxidil, a common hair treatment in promoting regrowth. When you massage your scalp, you're delivering oxygen and nutrients straight to the follicle, creating the perfect environment for new strands to sprout. Beyond massage, there's another method many overlook, microneedling. Though it sounds clinical, it's actually simple and non-surgical. A derma roller with tiny needles creates micro-injuries on the scalp, signaling the body to send healing factors, collagen, and nutrients to the area. This process reactivates dormant follicles, especially when combined with topical treatments. It's a method proven by research, used by thousands, and far less intimidating than surgery. let's not forget about stress, one of the biggest silent killers of hair. Have you ever noticed more hair shedding during tough times in life? Stress increases cortisol levels, which disrupts the normal cycle of hair growth. Hair spends more time in the shedding phase and less in the growing phase. That's why stress management, through meditation, yoga, regular exercise, or even simple breathing techniques, can make such a huge difference. You may not see stress, but your hair feels it. When you lower your stress levels, your follicles thank you by holding on to strands longer and encouraging new ones to grow. Another lifestyle factor that plays a massive role is sleep. Hair cells are among the fastest growing cells in the body, but they repair and regenerate while you sleep. Poor sleep weakens your immune system, lowers growth hormone production, and reduces your body's ability to send nutrients to your scalp. On the other hand, consistent deep sleep gives your body the energy and recovery time it needs to fuel hair regrowth. So, before reaching for expensive treatments, ask yourself, am I giving my body the rest it needs to heal? Diet is another powerful lever. Beyond biotin and vitamin D, minerals like zinc and iron are essential. Low iron is one of the leading causes of hair loss, especially in women. Iron helps red blood cells carry oxygen to your hair follicles, while zinc plays a key role in repairing damaged hair tissue. Without these, even the best shampoos or oils won't make a difference. Lean meats, leafy greens, beans, and pumpkin seeds are incredible ways to boost these minerals naturally. And if you're vegetarian or vegan, pay even closer attention, because deficiencies in these minerals are more common in plant-based diets. Let's also talk about what you shouldn't do. Many people unknowingly sabotage their hair growth with harsh products, excessive heat styling, or tight hairstyles that pull at the scalp. This constant tension weakens follicles, sometimes permanently. Allowing your hair to breathe, avoiding overuse of chemicals, and embracing more natural care routines can give your strands the freedom they need to grow stronger. Think of it as giving your scalp a break. It's the difference between a stressed-out garden and one that's free to flourish. One more surprisingly effective method is hydration. While it may sound too simple, your hair is nearly 1/4 water by weight. Dehydrated hair is brittle, dry, and more likely to break before it even grows long enough to be noticed. Drinking enough water daily and keeping your scalp hydrated with gentle oils or aloe vera can transform your hair's ability to grow and stay strong. And finally, consistency is the golden rule. Too often, people try a new shampoo, vitamin, or oil for just a few weeks, and when they don't see results, they quit. But hair growth is slow. It averages only about half an inch per month. That means real changes take 3 to 6 months of dedication. The truth is, every tip we've talked about works best when combined and followed consistently. Nourish your body with vitamins and minerals, stimulate your scalp, reduce stress, improve your sleep, and avoid harmful habits together. These form a complete, proven system for regrowth. Imagine looking in the mirror 6 months from now and seeing thicker strands, a stronger hairline, and a scalp that feels alive again. It's possible, and it doesn't require surgery, transplants, or a fortune spent on treatments. It requires commitment, the right knowledge, and simple daily habits. Thousands of men and women around the world have proven that hair regrowth without surgery isn't just a dream, it's a reality. So when you think about regrowing your hair, remember this: the power is already in your hands. Your follicles aren't gone, they're just waiting for the right environment to thrive. And now, with these 10 proven tips, you have everything you need to bring them back to life, naturally, safely, and effectively. Hair loss can feel like an uphill battle, but as we've seen today, you don't need surgery or complicated procedures to fight back. The truth is, your scalp and your body already have the ability to regrow hair. You just need to give them the right tools and environment. From nourishing your body with vitamins like biotin, vitamin D, zinc, and iron, to stimulating your scalp through massage, oils, or microneedling, each small step works together to create powerful results. Add in proper sleep, stress management, hydration, and gentler hair care routines, and you've got a complete system that supports natural, lasting regrowth. Remember, real hair transformation doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, consistency, and trust in the process. Every time you choose to massage your scalp, take your supplements, drink more water, or skip harsh products, you're investing in your future hair. Think of it like planting a garden. You water, nurture, and protect it, and in time, new life begins to grow. So whether you're just starting to notice thinning or you've been battling hair loss for years, don't lose hope. Your journey to thicker, healthier hair begins with simple daily habits, and you now have 10 proven tips to guide you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and share this with someone who needs a little encouragement on their hair growth journey. Your support not only helps this channel grow, but also helps others discover natural solutions that truly work. Take charge of your hair health starting today, and 6 months from now, you could be looking in the mirror with a brand new level of confidence.